welcome to my May 2019. I haven't had a box in a while. But here's the newest one. First item is a little white blouse. Cute. Okay, here's the first top. Super cute. Goes with everything. Probably a keeper. Item 2, a blouse. Okay, cute little red blouse. That's fun. Okay, red shirt, pretty cute. A little bit wide, but we'll see how everything else works out. But kind of cute. Item 3, feels like a dress. Haha. Oh, that's pretty. Might have pinned it, I think. It's like a kind of a maxi dress. Oh, that's cute. Maybe 8th grade graduation. Nice. I hope that fits. Okay, here's the dress. It's really cute. So most of you know me who watch this. If you don't, I'm an 8th grade teacher. I'm going to do 8th grade graduation. So, well, here's the length. It's perfect length. So, I know, very high tech. So I'll probably wear this to my students' 8th grade graduation. Item 4. Ooh. Oh, I thought it was a skirt. It's little shorts. Cute. Those are nice. Item 5. Pair of shoes. Oh, cute. Pair of Toms. Yay. Okay. Okay. Here are the shorts. They fit. They're cute. I don't have any exactly like this right now. They're cute. I'm going to keep them. And the shoes are also a keeper. So keeping all 5. That's it.